Hello friends, welcome to Rain's Kitchen and Garden. My name is Rain. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious, healthy smoothie. I'm also going to talk to you a little bit about how you can build your own smoothie. I'd like to share a tip with you first. When I get home from the grocery store, within a day or two, I'll prepare all of the fruit and the spinach and just put all of it in the freezer. It's so much easier for me to just pull all of this out of the freezer and toss it into the blender. I've noticed lately that I need more convenience and less complexity in order to be successful with my eating plan. Frozen fruits and vegetables are perfect for smoothies, or if you put them in fresh and you want your smoothie to be cold, you could toss in some ice cubes. If you want to build your own smoothie without following a recipe, there is a structure. The first thing you do is choose your base liquid. It could be water or coconut water, herbal tea, or even nut milk. If you have no issues with cow's milk, you can choose cow's milk as well. If you're not watching your sugar, you could include fruit juice. I always choose a really nice herbal tea. Today I'm using a cranberry vanilla herbal tea. I have a cup of this tea that I chilled in the fridge. It's about 250 milliliters. I don't particularly follow amounts and measurements, I just kind of toss everything in. The second thing you want to do is add some protein to your smoothie. For me, I add my homemade yogurt, and if I want to boost the protein up a little bit, I can also add a scoop of my homemade cottage cheese. I have links for both my homemade yogurt and my homemade cottage cheese in the description below. This little container of yogurt holds about 180 milliliters. I'm guessing that's about 3/4 of a cup. Some days I'll put the whole cup in, but today I'm just going to put in half. Next, you want to put in some greens. I add spinach, just a handful. After the greens, you want to add some fruit. Frozen or fresh is fine. Today I'm using strawberries and watermelon. So all you have to do is blend everything together for about a minute. I'm fortunate enough to have this high-speed blender. This is a Vitamix. It works so well to pulverize everything into liquid. I don't want to chew my smoothie, you know what I mean? So I'm going to let that go for about a minute on the highest setting. You could also add a spoonful of nut butter, and if you can handle protein powder, a lot of people put that in their smoothies. You could also add seeds or oats, and if you want to add more flavor, you could add spices like cinnamon, ginger, mint, or even curry powder or cayenne powder. Today I'm making a fruit smoothie, but you can make smoothies with whatever ingredients that you want. Once you start to get creative, you'll have endless ideas. So my friends, that's how I made my fruit smoothie today. It's delicious, nutritious, and because I have everything prepared ahead of time, I don't have to think twice about putting it all together, and it's so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give it a like and please do subscribe. If you don't want to miss out on future videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell for more home cooking. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I love your comments and I reply to all of them. And please share this video with anyone you might think will enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, my friends. I'll see you next time on Rain's Kitchen and Garden. Bye!